Good morning. My name is Annalyn Nuevo, and I'm going to present the customer pitch for Secure Invest PH app. Hello, everyone. I am thrilled to introduce you to Secure Invest PH, a revolutionary mobile app designed to address a pressing issue in the investment landscape of the Philippines. Our app is not just about making investments, it's about empowering you to make informed decisions through our financial literacy program, safeguarding your financial future through our investment safety measures, and providing you a secure platform for your investment journey as we value transparency. Somehow, some of you are aware that in the Philippines, the prevalence of investment scams and the lack of comprehensive tools for comparing legitimate investment opportunities have left many investors vulnerable to fraudulent schemes. We understand the importance of financial security and the need for a trustworthy platform that guides you towards making sound investment choices. What can we do to solve those problems? Well, Secure Invest PH offers a range of features to address these challenges, from verified listings of investments approved by regulatory bodies to educational content on recognizing and avoiding scams. Our app is designed to protect you and provide the information you need to make wise investment decisions. With secure transactions, real-time fraud monitoring, and a community-driven review system, we prioritize your safety and peace of mind. Indeed, our product features are truly focused on scam prevention and transparency. You may ask, what's in it for you? Well, by using our Secure Invest PH app, you gain access to a user-friendly interface that simplifies complex financial data and personalized recommendations tailored to your preferences. Our AI-driven personalization ensures that you receive relevant insights and updates, empowering you to navigate the investment environment with confidence. The app not only saves you time with efficient comparison tools, but also educates you through a rich library of resources, fostering a community of well-informed investors. So what are you waiting for? I invite you to join us on this transformative journey towards financial empowerment. Download the secure InvestPH app on your mobile today and experience the difference in your investment journey. Together, we can navigate the investment landscape with confidence, knowledge, and security. Your financial future is important to us, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Remember, start now and make your investment journey safe and worthwhile. Again, thank you for considering Secure Invest PH app as your investment companion. We look forward to helping you achieve your financial investment goals and secure a brighter financial future. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me on the details provided on the screen. Thank you.